3D laser scanning of point clouds, photos, videos from the site, and possibly some additional information or instructions for the designer. And what's also important is the contract appendix called the product specification, where the configuration of the products is described and illustrated, specifying the hardware, the type of insulated glass unit, the color, the system, and so on. In other words, everything should be described and detailed as much as possible. We pass this data on to the designer and order the KM stage project from them. This is a project where they include, for example, the cover pages with general descriptions, then the building elevations showing the placement of windows with elevation marks. Next come the floor plans, which are also very important for understanding where each product is located. Then the actual products themselves are shown, along with cross-sections of these products, vertical and horizontal. And then, on these cross-sections, the nodes are marked. Next come the nodes. The nodes, accordingly, are also horizontal, bottom, side, and top. On the nodes, it is shown, accordingly, which method is used to fasten the product, what materials are used for fastening, how the finishing is done, with which materials, where the sandwich foam is, which cover strips, dowels, and so on, where the stees, tapes, and other things are located. The nodes also show how the client's finishing approaches, elevation marks, how the floor meets the transom, under the transom, into the transom, above the transom, and how the finishing fits there. On the window system, the finishing covers the window, but on the facade system, it can't cover the cap. It runs next to the cap at the beginning. So, these are the kinds of technical details involved. The designer thinks all of this through.